What's been the most rewarding part of it? Would you say that links into the people management and seeing your projects come into action? Or has there been one specific little technical thing that you've worked on that was like, yeah, I've done it at the end of it?
I think as you sort of go up through an organisation, every job you get those sort of, woo, I've delivered, I've done, that's fantastic. So some of the things were, we had to do a massive timetable change. We had to have 30% more trains running on the network out of Euston, going up to the borders of Scotland. And that was a huge technical challenge as to how are we going to do some of the basic work and basic tasks we did. And no one ever thought we could do it. And I led the technical bit of that as to how we could change the way in which we did working practices and how we developed new technology to do things that people traditionally did by foot. And we had about 18 months to deliver this programme, and we went live on the right day. We
all came together
in the end. And there was loads of technical issues that came up as you went through the 18 months, but that was a fantastic achievement at the end of that. When you physically build something and when you physically deliver a project, again, that's a big, I've done that, it's a legacy for me.
You can see it in action every day and it's proud.
Yeah, absolutely. That legacy is a fantastic feeling. And I think for now, the things I really enjoy doing now are much more around the new technology. What's the new exciting technology that we can bring into the rail industry? So things like, I'm getting research universities and research companies to look at little robots. Can we put little robots running on the railhead, looking for defects and looking for problems on the track, or looking for problems with the signalling system? And that's quite new and really innovative.
Very high
tech, which people don't normally associate with our industry. So that's absolutely fabulous.
So that would be sort of maybe a perception about the rail industry. So it's actually a lot more gadgety and techy than you'd assume. So
yes.
And that's your speciality, is it? The techy side of things?
It is now. My organisation set the technical roadmap. So we think, what does the railway want to look like in 10, 20 and 30 years' time? How do we get money from Europe and from the UK to look at totally new radical ways of working and delivering equipment and new type of steel and new types of bridges and materials we can use. So that's really exciting, because again, that's a big legacy. You leave something behind, you think, oh, I was part of that.